Phone conversation. Hotel room booking.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Blue Orchid Hotel. This is Emily speaking. How can I assist you today?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for a few nights next month.
Of course. May I have your full name, please?
Sure. My name is Michael Peterson.
Thank you, Mr. Peterson. When would you like to check in?
I'm planning to arrive on August 15th and stay until the 20th. So, that's 5 nights.
Let me check our availability. Yes, we do have rooms available for those dates. What type of room would you prefer? Single, double, or deluxe suite?
What's the difference between the double and the deluxe suite?
The double room includes a queen-size bed, free Wi-Fi, a work desk and breakfast. The deluxe suite includes a king-size bed, a separate living area, a mini-bar, a private balcony with a city view, and complimentary room service.
The deluxe suite sounds nice. What's the rate per night?
The deluxe suite is $180 per night. That includes breakfast for 2, high-speed Wi-Fi, and access to our gym and rooftop pool.
All right, I'll go with the deluxe suite.
Perfect. For 5 nights, your total comes to $900 before tax. Would you like to include airport pickup as well?
Yes, please. I'll be arriving at JFK Airport around 4 p.m. on the 15th.
Got it. We'll arrange a driver to meet you at the arrivals area with your name on a sign.
That would be great. By the way, do you have non-smoking rooms?
Yes, all of our rooms are non-smoking by default. Would you also like a room on a higher floor or with a specific view?
If possible, I'd love a room with a city view on one of the upper floors.
Absolutely. I've noted that down. We'll do our best to accommodate your preference.
Perfect. Can I also request a late checkout on the 20th?
Late checkout is available for an extra $30. Would you like to include that?
Yes, that's fine.
All right. Could you please provide your email address and phone number for the confirmation?
Sure. My email is michael.peterson89@gmail.com and my phone number is +1 55 57 89 2345.
Thank you. And how would you like to pay? Now or upon arrival?
I'll pay when I arrive.
No problem. Your reservation is confirmed for August 15th to 20th in a deluxe suite with city view, airport pickup and late checkout. We'll send a confirmation email shortly.
That's great. Thank you so much, Emily. You've been very helpful.
You're very welcome, Mr. Peterson. We look forward to welcoming you next month. If you need to make any changes, feel free to call us anytime.
Will do. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.